So there's a multitude of ways I could possibly answer that question. So business model-wise, it is now the time of the industry and B2B. So we'll see incredible things happening on shop floors. We'll see incredible things happening in human-computer interaction and cooperation. We'll see the supply chain changing and automizing. Logistics is gonna be striving, and I'm really thrilled to see that. But what is more important is kind of the operating system of where this all comes from. And I think that the next wave really is updating the operating system of what used to be a corporate or an incumbent into really networked portfolio of bets-driven hybrid organizations. So in the IT, it's called the two-speed IT. I think we're gonna have the N model organization. So hybrid is just not describing that right on one hand side, and we'll see that, and this is really going into your direction, solving for the right leader that is capable of managing a portfolio of bets rather than just one closed down value chain. That is really going to be interesting, how we update the operating system of the economy and even of society.
Christoph, thank you very much for your time and for your thoughts. It has been great, as always, having these kind of discussions with you, and I hope to continue the dialogue.
We will, thanks.